Want to remove a saved fingerprint from your Samsung Galaxy A27? Whether you're updating your security settings or deleting an unused fingerprint, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. Start by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy A27 and opening the Settings app. You can access it from the home screen, app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen, then select Screen Lock and Biometrics, or Biometrics and Security, depending on your phone's software version. To protect your personal information, you will be asked to enter your current PIN, password or pattern before you can access the fingerprint settings. After verifying your identity, tap Fingerprints to view all the fingerprints currently saved on your device. If you've registered multiple fingerprints, they'll appear in a list, usually named Fingerprint 1, Fingerprint 2, or with any custom names you've assigned. Tap the fingerprint you want to remove. This will open its details page where you'll find the Remove option. Tap Remove, then confirm your choice when the confirmation prompt appears. The selected fingerprint will be deleted immediately. If you want to remove additional fingerprints, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Deleting a fingerprint won't affect your PIN, password or pattern, so you'll still be able to unlock your phone using your existing backup security method. That's it! Your selected fingerprint has now been removed from your Samsung Galaxy A27. Your fingerprint has been removed successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Samsung Galaxy A27 tutorials for more helpful tips.